Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this GMC Yukon key fob here. It works for these models 2015 and 2020 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery in the description and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here you see a small button. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. So when you remove this mechanical key, turn the fob like this. This here is the button now, and this here is the side with the buttons facing down. And when you turn the fob like this, we need to remove this back cover over here. And the easiest way to remove it is now just take the mechanical key, and with the tip here, right here in the center, you see this hole. So insert the tip of the mechanical key right in this hole like this, and now twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily remove this back piece and you separate the fob into two pieces like this. Alright, now when you separate the fob into two pieces, right after that here, you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again, it's very easy. Just take the tip of the flat screwdriver, insert it here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure this side here is the negative side that facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place the battery here, just take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly like this, all corners have to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key and now put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.